Hey guys! We're going to draw a nice hill scene with a little building or farm in the background. So we're going to start with some hills. You can see this one's closest to us in the foreground. And a little further away. Okay, now we're going to put a little building. So we'll start with a square. We're going to make it look a little 3D, so we're going to have this line, instead of being straight, go at a little bit of an angle towards the hill. And then we need a perfectly straight up and down vertical line to finish it. Okay, now for the roof of this building, I'm going to make it kind of a barn roof. So I'm going to have a line that goes in, a line that goes in. And then I'm going to make a flat line on the top. Now this section's not done, so we need to make another little angled line right here. And then we'll connect this corner of the roof to that angled line. Okay, now we'll put little details like a door and some little windows. Now to help with this 3D look, we're going to make like a path that's coming towards us on the hill. So it's going to start next to the door. And then on the other side of the door, it's going to get wider. So it's going to start there and finish further away from this path. Now to make it look like the path's going on these hills, I'm going to add another curve. And then one more over here. And then on this side. Okay, now we're going to put some little bumpy lines for trees in the background. They can be kind of overlapping. across the other side too. And then in the sky, we're gonna make some clouds. So it looks like a nice day. The clouds that are further up in the sky are actually gonna be closer to us because the horizon line's back here. And the clouds that are closer to the horizon line are smaller. So as things get closer to that horizon line, that's where they're gonna disappear and get smaller and smaller. So I'm gonna have some clouds up here that are quite big. Maybe even go off the page. And then as I go down, I'll have a little bit smaller clouds. You can even have some overlapping. So maybe one here. Okay, here we go.